Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my physical therapy ride. I gotta be on this bike for 6 minutes, so let's see if I can make it without stopping. Yes, Lord. Trying to get these legs working and the ankle working again. See, I'm riding with the boot on. Yes. Ooh. It's my second time riding the bike. I got an hour to be in here. And then, after this, I'm gonna walk home if I can make it. We'll see. We'll see. Yes, Lord. 6 minutes is long when you haven't been on a bike in a while. Yes, God give me the strength to push. Ooh. These are my workout clothes, guys. This is a long skirt that comes with pants and short pants attached to it. Can't work out in a dress. The legs have to go up in the air, so I gotta do some leg lifts after this. Ooh. Six minutes. Oh. I'm out of shape. Laying around, not doing any exercise since the surgery. Even before the surgery, because I was in a boot. I think I walked in a boot almost a year before they decided it was time to fix it. But it was my fault because I kept putting it off, putting it off, putting it off, putting it off. Till I couldn't put it off no more. Whew. Yes, thank you, Lord. I don't know what Dr. Mo is, but I started without him because he knows I know my routine. Oh, thank you, Lord. I didn't take one break this time. The other day, I think I stopped 3 times. So I'm improving. I'm improving. Woo. One more minute to go. Okay. My last hike up. Whew. Okay. I'm done. Thank you, Lord Jesus. Now I gotta move over to the table. Bye, y'all.